AI surveillance safety. Wow. Can those words work together? Can artificial intelligence make us more safe and feel secure while we're being watched and under surveillance? Well, the production of safety through the use of AI, maybe arguably AI can make the world safer. Simultaneously, AI can make the world feel safe or maybe less safe. And safe for whom? We must always ask those questions. Can robotization handle hazardous materials or work in hazardous environments and be delegated to robots to protect the health of human beings or animals and thereby perhaps minimize or mitigate their likelihood of harm? That's possible. Then again, we have to look at automation and surveillance when it's manifested in other domains, such as public spaces, in law enforcement work through predictive policing. Some people call it racial profiling, or in domestic life through products like Amazon's Ring. We have the ACLU, American Civil Liberties Union, arguing that automation brings about a big qualitative shift in how surveillance functions, and advances in camera technology in resolution, digitization, storage, and wireless transmission, and cameras have become cheaper and far more prevalent. So the social implications of being recorded have not changed, but the videos in which we appear are unlikely to be scrutinized or monitored. So constant surveillance can have a chilling effect and be unsettling. It can cause our safety sometimes to feel at odds with personal freedom and privacy. So to what extent AI surveillance is really producing safety is certainly subjective to one's opinion. The existence of AI surveillance may itself produce a feeling of unsafety, unsettling. You may directly contribute to actual unsafety and produce harm if used improperly. AI-powered policing can lead to direct physical harm because of its predictive nature and the methods of enforcement if used inaccurately. So surveillance allows even the most petty transgressions to be surveilled and logged. It risks making the consequences of policing more damaging than the original crime, perhaps. So disparate levels of policing, disparate methods of enforcement, and disparate levels of surveillance across communities as well, most clearly along racial dimensions, can cause us to further question the integrity of AI surveillance, as it creates a different kind of safety and unsafety for different people and has a degree of selectivity in and of itself. Thus, the value of safety becomes entwined with other ethical values such as justice and non-discrimination, all of which are vital concerns when considering whether or not to use AI.